Sorry. Hey guys, Extreme Motor Robot 085 right here. Today, we're going to show you the Gemmy eyeball doorbell. So, I got him, Auntie Debbie gave me it, along with the phone, the player, which is on the living room now. And yeah, I got this on my birthday, 2019, I think, or 20. Sorry, I'm a little bit sick. This stuffy nose. I will do a better video of this later. Next time if I get better. So, I got this 2019 or 20, I think. Before my cousin came over. Sorry, I'm quiet because it's like, okay, when I got this thing, I cannot talk. So this thing hands up, Miss, Auntie Debbie handed up for me in my old house before. Jordan, well, here's the no cover now anymore. Takes 3 AAA batteries. No motion sensor. And when I got this, it was working. This is the TJ Maxx one, I think. I know there's other ones. I'm gonna get more later next time. I have another doorbell that's like a one that gets spider coming out of it. Here's my jumping spider. Yeah, I changed it today. It works again. Okay, let's review it. This thing actually goes really slow when it goes to the right. Here's a little... Okay, now see you later.